So guys, how to add transparent text or use image inside text effect in HTML? It's really simple. On the left side we have our basic code and on the right side we have our output. As you can see, we have a simple div here with the text and the class name image inside text. Then go inside the style section, call for the class image inside text. There we have our font size and weight. Now to make a transparent text, write color clone transparent, then add a background image, background dash image clone URL, opening parenthesis single quotation, another one closing parenthesis semicolon. Inside the image name, suppose our image is inside the images folder, so write images slash the image name, then clip the text to the image, background dash clip clone text. Fit the image size properly, background dash size clone cover. Lastly, position the image, background dash position clone center. Save, reload. See, we have our transparent text. Let's change the background to black, and to make it supportable for all browsers we need to add some extra code. You can able to find this code inside the video description. Save, reload. See, it's really that simple. So thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.